Good morning, all of you. Today, now I am going to start a new topic from Unit First, E part, production of enzymes and general consideration for enzyme lipase. तो आइए देखते हैं अबाउट लाइपेज के बारे में. Now, lipase is the digestive enzyme which is needed to digest fat. Lipase is the primarily digestant used to split fats into fatty acid and glycerol. The physiologic role of lipases is to hydrolyze triglycerides into diglycerides, monoglycerides, fatty acid and glycerol. तो ये कुछ एंजाइम्स लाइपेज के रोल हैं जो कि लिपिड्स को फैटी एसिड्स और ग्लाइसरोल में कन्वर्ट करता है और जो ट्राइग्लिसराइड है उसको डाइग्लिसराइड में और फिर मोनोग्लाइसराइड में कन्वर्ट करता है. लाइपेज इज प्रोड्यूस इन पैंक्रियास, सीड्स, यूफेरबेसी, टिसनस कॉमनिस. Pancreas, you can see here amylase, lipase and protease enzymes. Which act you can see here slide. Now next point, lipases are available from many sources. However, the most suitable sources for lipase productions are microbes including bacteria, fungi and yeast. Lower cost and shorter time, optimal growth conditions. Lipase production is dependent upon a number of factors including carbon and nitrogen sources, pH, temperature, aeration and equilibrium size. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट देखते हैं. लैपिसेस आर वाइडली यूज्ड इन द प्रोसेसिंग ऑफ फैट्स एंड ऑयल्स, detergents and degreasing formulations, food processing, the synthesis of fine chemicals and pharmaceuticals, paper manufactures and production of cosmetics, beverages. These are the application of lipase enzymes. Lipases can be used to accelerate the degradation of fatty waste. Lipases are important biocatalysts in industrial applications. स्टेंट्स की बात करें तो कैंडिडा लैपोलिटिका, एस्परगिलस नाइगर, स्यूडोमोनास बैसिलस एंड लैक्टोबैसिलस species. Samples are subjected to a serial dilution, incubation at 37 degrees Celsius for 24 to 48 hours. Nutrient is agar. A clear zone around the colonies indicates the production of lipase. Now, substrates used for lipase. So, there are different types of agricultural wastes and oily substrates are used for the lipase because of their lipolytic nature. Rice bran, wheat bran, gingerly oil cake, almond meal, mustard oil cake, neem oil cake, groundnut oil cake, gingerly seed and groundnut kernel. Olive oil as a lipid substrate is suitable for the production of acidic lipase. Fermentation method. Initially, the effect of 9 factors, namely concentration of glucose, dextron, olive oil, NH4Cl, trace metals K2HPO4, MgCl2, and CaCl2, and inoculum density were studied. Olive oil as an inducer and yeast extract has a nitrogen source. The optimal medium composition for the lipase productions were glucose 0.1, olive 3.0, NH4Cl 0.5, extract 0.36, K2HPO4 0.1, MgCl2 0.01, and calcium chloride 0.4 mm maltose. Wheat bran, rice husk, lentil husk, banana waste, watermelon waste are the carbon sources. Now, to maintain sufficient oxygen concentration for the optimum cell growth and lipase activity, fermentation has been carried out at 600 rpm and at different aeration rates. Gas flow rate of 50.34 centimeter cube and S1 yielded optimum production of lipase for the air-lift bioreactor. The best aeration condition was 2.5 ppm, which yielded similar lipase activity after 30 hours of fermentation. A maximum lipase activity was detected in the late stationary phase at 200 rpm and air flow rate 0.8 ppm. Higher lipase activities could be achieved at lower temperature levels and higher air flow rate values. A maximum lipase activity was obtained at 27 degrees Celsius at an air flow rate 0.8. So these are the conditions in which lipase can be grown. Lipase production was optimized at a different pH near about 7 to 10, temperature 30 to 60 degrees Celsius. Incubation period is 1 to 5 days with a constant shaking at 120 rpm. Bacteria were cultured in nutrient broth where 1% olive oil. During the cultivation, lipase activity will be measured every 12 hours to determine the maximum lipase producing periods. Now, next steps is purification. After production, purification. The culture supernatant containing extracellular lipase obtained from fermented broth was treated with 0. Molar CaCl2 in order to precipitate fatty acid followed by centrifugation at 4 degrees Celsius and 12,000 rpm for 30 minutes. The supernatant was collected in a glass beaker and to it chilled acetone was added slowly to allow protein precipitation. The precipitates were then harvested by centrifugation at 4 degrees Celsius and 12,000 rpm for 30 minutes. The pellet thus obtained was resuspended in 34 ml of 20 mm triaxial buffer pH 8 to allow the solubilization of proteins. The unsolubilized proteins were then removed by centrifugation at 4 degrees Celsius, 12,000 rpm for 30 minutes. Supernatant then subjected to ultrafiltration and dialyzed overnight against the same buffer at 4 degrees Celsius. The protein content and lipase activity were determined after each step. Now applications. Applications are yogurt and cheese fermentation, convert vegetables oil to fuel, degrades lipids, combinant lipases used in baking and laundry, investigate and diagnose acute pancreatitis, dairy industries, detergent and degreasing formulation, asthma drug, biodiesel production, chemical industries, pharmaceutical industries, and in cosmetic industries. So these are the applications of lipase. Thank you all of you.